Power over Ethernet, or PoE, is transforming how we connect devices. By transmitting both power and data through a single network cable, PoE simplifies infrastructure, reduces costs, and enhances efficiency. This technology is paving the way for smarter, more connected environments. PoE stands as a revolutionary technology, allowing power and data to flow through one cable. This innovation streamlines networked device infrastructure, cutting down on installation costs and complexity. It's a game-changer for modern connectivity, making networks more efficient and easier to manage. At its core, PoE uses existing Ethernet cabling, typically Cat5e or higher, to deliver power. This eliminates the need for separate power sources near devices, offering a versatile solution for powering IP cameras, VoIP phones, and wireless access points, among others. PoE drastically reduces wiring needs, making installations cleaner and less intrusive. It cuts down on installation and energy costs by eliminating the need for electrical outlets at every device. Additionally, PoE supports smart energy management, allowing power to be shut off when devices are not in use. In offices, PoE powers VoIP phones, wireless access points, and surveillance cameras, creating flexible work environments. In retail and hospitality, it supports dynamic signage and wireless POS systems. PoE is also central to smart homes and cities, powering everything from lighting to security systems. As technology advances, PoE is set to support higher power outputs and more efficient energy management. Its role in the Internet of Things, or IoT, is expanding, connecting a myriad of devices. PoE's eco-friendly approach aligns with global sustainability efforts, reducing carbon footprints and optimizing energy use. As industries continue evolving, PoE technology will only become more essential, powering the future of connectivity. Whether in smart cities, healthcare, or industrial automation, PoE is paving the way for a smarter, more connected world. Are you ready to embrace the future of networking? Like and subscribe for more tech innovations in cable assemblies.